All right, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And it's been a while since we've done a vendor recap video, so I figured we would do one. We are out in Tanglewood Park in Clemens, North Carolina. So we are at Rad Rides in the Park show. It officially starts tomorrow, Saturday and Sunday. Vendor setup is today, but we just dropped off the trailer. So since I have the whole day here to kind of just set things up and chill for a little bit, I've set up all the grid walls back there. You can see I got license plates, I've got banners, I've got hoodies, I got more banners there. Right now I am going through and making a bunch of street signs because we sold like 30 of them at the last show. So I'm taking all my blanks and stuff from that last video you guys saw how to make street signs, and I'm literally sitting here making like 20 street signs. And then of course we've got all the mannequins and apparel and stuff, which I'll set all that stuff out tomorrow morning because I can't leave that overnight. But anything that I can get done inside this trailer today to save me a good hour or 2 hours tomorrow for setup, and it'll be like this for the weekend. Hopefully it goes good. I've never been to Rad Rides in the Park. It used to be called something different. It's hosted by Drop and Wear. First time attending this event. I'm not sure what the turnout's going to be or what it's like as a vendor, spectators, foot traffic, all that stuff, but I think kind of what I was getting off of Facebook, probably a couple hundred trucks and cars here this weekend and a bunch of people. So figured it'd be good. There's already a few trucks and stuff here. I'll kind of show you guys the field and stuff, but you can see that's the little pavilion where the awards are going to be. This whole field over here is pretty much where the car show is going to be. So good, should be a good time. I'll turn the camera back on tomorrow once we set all the mannequins and stuff up, and I'll give you guys a afterthought on how we did and if the show was worth it for us.
It's cool to see a lot of shit coming back.
All right, so vendor trailer is done. That took about an hour and a half. It's so hot out, and I forgot my fans in my trailer. They're at home. I thought it was gonna be like 50 degrees, and it's like 80 out, so that kind of sucks. But we're here in the Airbnb. I ended up getting a cool Airbnb for the weekend, like 10 minutes from the show. I typically try and stay in Airbnbs when I'm going to shows as a vendor because one, it's usually cheaper than hotels, and two, you can find places that are really close and often a lot nicer. Like this place, I think I paid 200 bucks for Friday through Sunday, but super cool. I have this entire basement to myself, and I've got a kitchen, and I've got a bathroom, and I've got a bedroom right there, and a big screen TV to watch with a really comfortable couch. What more can you ask for? It's actually really nice. Like I said, 10 minutes from the show, and yeah, I just got to eat some lunch, so I'm probably just gonna nap all day and enjoy my time off. Maybe watch some TV here, and then I think we gotta get to the show at like 7:30 in the morning tomorrow. So hopefully sales are good. Hopefully there's a lot of people. Hopefully it's cold out tomorrow. The weather was showing like 50 something, but it was like 80 degrees today, and it was dead hot. I don't like hot weather because you can't really sell hoodies or koozies. And when it's chilly out, then I can sell t-shirts, hoodies. I'll sell koozies still, hats. I sell everything, and I have a bunch of hoodies sitting in my vendor trailer from April still when we were in Maggie Valley. And because during the summer you never sell hoodies, and those things are expensive to stock, but you make good money on them. So fingers crossed that we sell hoodies at this show this weekend. If not, we've got a couple coming up in October that I know will be really good for hoodies and stuff. So yeah, see you guys in the morning, and we'll go get going on the show and make some sales.
Here we got 50-50 going on all day. We have a raffle up here
All right, so that's gonna do it for Rad Rides in the Park. We're in the truck, got the trailer behind me, all packed up. We left the show about 1:30 in the afternoon, right after awards today, but good weekend, had a good time. Being transparent with you guys about sales and all that stuff, we pretty much hit the mark of just breaking even with the show, which which is fine by me because it's not a win, it's not a loss. I got to be there, I got to meet people, I got to network, I got to film content and stuff for Facebook and Instagram and YouTube and all that stuff. So it was good. So factoring in like cost of gas, the cost of my Airbnb, cost of the booth space, cost like production cost of the merchandise, and then based on like what the sales we did, we pretty much made enough money to pay for all of that and broke even, and then we'll restock the merch that we sold and then on to the next event. So it was good. It was a fun time. There was probably about 200 or so cars out there, good handful of people. The venue was pretty cool over in Tanglewood Park. And now we have a month break until the next event, which is going to be Southeast All Truck Nationals in Maggie Valley. First year event. My first time going to the event, obviously. We're going to go there as a vendor. I'm also going to bring the C10. And yeah, we'll see how that one goes as a vendor. So I'll do a vendor recap and then I'll do a show recap of it. But appreciate you guys watching. I will see you guys in a couple weeks down in Maggie Valley.